Shut up and sit down.
Well, day 4 of my Erie Canal tour has begun. I'm hoping to go 50 miles today. Yesterday I went almost 55. The day before that I went, I believe, 33, 34. And the day before that I only went in the 20s, but I got a really late start because the train was late. But I'm a little over 100 miles in. I got about 300 miles to go. I'm going to try to shoot for at least 50 miles a day from here on out. It's supposed to rain a little tonight, but I found a campsite that I'm going to use. It's in a New York State park, and that's where my ultimate goal is for today. It's exactly 50 miles from where I started off, I believe. So, should be able to reach my goal. Place for a trailer park, man. Redneck heaven. Five miles an hour. According to that, I'm speeding at my devastatingly fast 8 miles an hour. Lock 30. This is where I was planning on camping. Just wasn't able to make it in time. They just opened the lock gates. I missed it. Something must be happening. Big things must be what power it. This little boat's coming, that's what's going on.
From the garden, the clinging of the chimes, the last tomatoes hanging shriveled on the vines. The autumn breeze is just a promise of the freeze that's coming soon. The season's fleeting, the days are blurring into years, the lines retreating. As every moment disappears, the stories end to leave, another to begin to start anew. And in 1,000 years, when all our bones have disappeared, and every word has been erased, still the rivers flow, the sun will glow, the seeds will grow, the wind will come and blow it all away. 'Cause we are just a memory replaced. All the deadlines have come and gone without a sound. The saddest headlines are now just pigments on the ground. The battles fought, the lessons taught, they all are lost now in the end. And every secret you ever guarded with your life, the stars will keep it. If all the photons should arrive, we're just a speck in time and space, just a fleck upon its face. And in 1,000 years, when all our bones have disappeared, and every word has been erased, still the rivers flow, the sun will glow, the seeds will grow, the wind will come and blow it all away. 'Cause we are just a memory replaced. yourself, release yourself. The burdens that you carry all will topple in the end. And every bad decision that was weighing on your mind, every failed mission, every ladder left unclimbed, it all just blows away. And in 1,000 years, when all our bones have disappeared and every word has been erased, still the rivers flow, the sun will glow, the seeds will grow, the wind will come and blow it all away.
My first almost sort of tunnel here. It is 1:30. I've gone around a little over 20 miles, I'd say. I've hit some pretty sketchy, muddy ground, some trail that didn't seem to be a trail, and some trail that was pretty well overgrown. But I'm having a good time. I'm hurting, I'm exhausted, got a long way to go, but I'm having fun. So I'm about 8 miles from my campsite. For the last 15 miles or so, there's been no trail, just highway. I went through a town and that kind of cut the traffic, but before I hit that town, man, cars were just zipping by me really close. It was really kind of scary. I was wearing my helmet. I'm on a road now, but there's no traffic, so that's okay. Around here, nothing but cornfields. Cornfields, cornfields, and cornfields. See? Cornfields. I don't know if you can see it in the distance, but there's one of those giant white crosses. You see them every now and then crossing the country. There's one near Amarillo, Texas. One night, in a stormy night, it was creating a shadow. It was creating a shadow in the clouds. It looked like a tornado. Freaked me and my family out. Thought we were driving right for a tornado. Oh. Getting closer, I realized it's not as big as I thought it was. Still pretty big, but it's not one of the giant towering ones. This hill is taking everything I've got. That's what I like about being on a trike. I can stop, rest, and keep going. At this rate, I'll crest it in about 10 minutes. But I'll get there. Kills your knees, man. Almost there. Oh, this is an evil hill. Top of the hill, I don't know if you can see the sign, but it's Lamb Street. This hill's a wolf, not a lamb. It's a bear. Oh, but every up has a down, right? Not much of one, but there's still a down. Oh, that hurts my knees. Halloween already. Well, I made it over that hill and 3 more that were even taller. Damn. I thought I was gonna reach my limit, but well, I knew I wouldn't. The day you reach your limit is the day you die. And that's your limit. Whenever you think you're gonna reach your limit, you just stop, take a deep breath, focus your mind, focus your body, and just do it. It hurts like hell, but when you're done, the pain will go away, and it'll just be a memory, but that memory won't be as strong as the memory of doing it and completing it. No limits.
I don't have to call when I want Marcel. 15 years on the Erie Canal. She trots from her stall like a good old gal. 15 years on the Erie Canal. I eat my meals with Sally each day. I eat beef and she eats hay. She ain't so slow if you want to know. She puts the buff in Buffalo. Low bridge, everybody down. Low bridge, you got the finest fuel in town. Needs a bale of hay for dinner and on top of that for sale. Tries to drink up all the water in the Erie Canal. You'll hear 'em sing all about my gal. 15 years on the Erie Canal. It's a darn fool ditty about my darn fool bell. 15 years on the Erie Canal. Oh, every band will play it soon. Darn fool words and darn fool tune. You'll hear it sung everywhere you go, from Mexico to Buffalo. Low bridge, everybody down. Low bridge, it's got the finest mule in town. She's a perfect, perfect lady, and she blushes like a gal if she hears you sing about her and the Erie Canal.